Good morning to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Mylene Ulo. I'm 42 years old. I have two child ages, 18 years old boy and 13 years old girl. I have experience as domestic helper in country Malaysia for 6 years and 2 months. From February 5, 2017 until March 22, 2023. I have experience also here in Hong Kong for 4 months. I know how to cleaning, laundry, ironing, marketing, cooking, and taking care of kids. Please, ma'am and sir, hire me as your helper and I promise to follow your rules. Thank you and good day. And good morning, ma'am and sir.